what was your initial reaction when you first heard na nagpalit ng coach ang Lasal after their stint in the Phil-Oil? So, let's start with someone who played for Lasal. Yeah. Someone who bleeds green and white. Yan.
Is currently involved with
saan? Yeah.
PBA.
Akala ko sa Lasal.
Layo.
Richard, enlighten us, no? Ano ba nangyari dito? Bakit panilitan si Coach G. Abanilla ni Assistant Coach Juno Sauler just weeks before the start of the UAP season?
Actually, kung ano lang nababasa natin, no? Mas marami akong alam doon. Pero syempre, when I first heard about the news, nalungkot ako for my friend kasi kaibigan ko si Coach G, no?
Teammate mo pa dati, yan?
Teammate ko pa dati, yan. So, syempre nakakalungkot. At nagulat na ako, syempre, dahil nga 3 weeks before the start of the tournament. Pero, siya naman, sabi nga niya, nakausap ko rin siya, syempre, yung part of the job rin yan eh. I mean, you're there to please whoever, yung bosses mo, yung management mo, and if they tell you that you're needed more here kesa dyan, so ikaw, you have to be professional about it.
But were you shocked?
Oh yes, I was shocked. Kasi I don't recall na may nangyari na ganyan, no? Na ganyan kalapit na from and actually sinisisi ko pa rin yung pag-pull out ng Ateneo.
Kinalaman mo pag-pull out ng Ateneo doon.
Hindi kami nakaganti. Diba? Kaya kung naglaban ulit sila, tapos kunyari nanalo, baka...
So sinasabi mo kaya...
Pinull out na rin namin yung coach namin.
So sinasabi mo kaya natanggal si Coach G dahil natalo kayo sa Ateneo?
Hindi ako nagsabi. Hindi ko alam. Pero, I don't know. Probably nga, yun. Sabi nila, because mas kailangan siya ngayon mag-focus sa Petron and yun.
Ikaw, Jai, you know how crucial it is na weeks before the UAAP, mahirap yung magkagulo ng ganyan.
Mahirap talaga.
Bakit siya mahirap?
Kasi 1 year pa lang si Coach G, yung full season niya sa UAAP. Sige, sabihin na natin, a year and a half kasama tong summer na to. Tapos lahat ng pinagtrabahuhan mo na philosophy, game plan, strategies na ini-instill mo sa players, bigla lang all of a sudden, babaguhin na naman. Tapos, ilan weeks na lang before the UAAP. Well, ako, personally, coming from the outside, looking in, feeling ko dahil sa Phil-Oil. Dahil 3 straight losses, siguro, Lasal was expecting na at least to go to the finals. But then, they lost to UE.
Kaya nga, I made a vow na pag mag-coach ulit ako sa college, hindi ako sasali sa Phil-Oil.
Bakit?
Kung matalo ko na.
Hindi ka
on that premise.
Dubai ka na lang, Dubai.
Sanay na silang matalo kami.
Ikaw, Magu, I know you're such a diehard Lasal eh. Yung last taping day natin, Lasal shirt ka pa, ganyan. Pero may sinabi ka eh. May sinabi ka nung huling taping eh, di ba? Naalala niyo yung sinabi niya nung huling taping?
May tinanong ako.
Sabi niya,
may tinanong, ikaw nagsabi.
Tama si Magu. Tanong yun. Ang, para lang sa'yo ha. Ang sabi niya, parang Petron? Tanong so, alam mo pala niya na last year.
Wala akong kamalay-malay.
Tama yung pagkauli ko, di ba? Parang Petron? Sabi niya, di ba? Tanong yun eh. So, di ba? Now, try to connect what you said last week to what happened to Lasal.
I'm still dumbfounded about it.
Why
I have nothing but love for Coach Juno, for Coach G. These are the guys we respect sa basketball community. Two of the greatest minds sa Philippine basketball right now. Pero, ang lapit na kasi towards the season, you know. Ang balita nga natin starting today, it is a Monday. Ngayon yung simula, si Coach Juno daw has already called for 2-a-day practices. Dahil, is that gonna be enough? Less than 3 weeks, 2-a-day practices? Mahirap. Is it gonna be enough?
Mahirap.
Actually, pwede. Depende. Kasi wala masyadong adjustment yung players sa coach and yung coach sa players. Alam na nila yung capabilities na isa't isa.
At saka same coaching staff naman eh.
Same coaching staff. Although, probably, syempre, yung plays would be different dahil yung depend sa plays ni Coach Juno. Yun lang naman ang kailangan nilang adjust. Some, maybe defensive rotation, defensive philosophies. Probably may konting tweaks lang dyan kasi I'm sure nag-uusap naman si Coach G at si Coach Juno.
Ako tingin ko mahirapan.
Hindi mo sinasabi dahil Latinista ka, no?
Ganun na rin.
Kasama na rin.
Pero, sinabi ko na para sa akin, favorite ang Lasal ngayon sa UAP. Dapat mag-champion na yung Lasal.
Ikaw naman
Pero
nagkagulo na nga.
Malabo na yun.
Oh, dahil lang doon, it's still the same team. It's same set of players. Hindi naman nagbago yung talent level ng mga players. It's the same.
Oo nga, pero to change a coach less than a month before the start of the
You
season.
have to assume they're doing it for the betterment of the team. Hindi mo naman ginawa yun para masumina yung team, di ba?
Ilang months ba yung UAP?
3 months.
3 months. Tapos, pwede pa. 3 months.
3 months yung UAP.
Baka malaking bagay ngayon yung magiging break ng FIBA Asia. No? August 1 to 11 na break. Everything will stop para doon. So pati UAP titigil doon.
Tama, no? Oo nga, no? Naisip mo pa yun.
Mga 3.5 months na ngayon
Lahat, ha? Ikaw, Carlo, ikaw, isa ka pang Atenean. So I know you'll be very objective about it. Anong tingin mo dito sa Lasal? What was your reaction?
Objective ba?
Anong reaction mo?
I didn't understand kung ano pa yung kulang na ginawa ni Coach G. I mean, rookie coach, 10-4, back in the Final Four, muntik mo nang tinalo yung Ateneo nung Game 1, nung Final Four. Ano pa ba yung kailangan mong gawin? 'Di ba? If you're Coach G. Preseason lang naman eh. First, I think he's a very good coach. And I think na like the other UAAP assistant PBA coaches, kaya niyang gawin yun. Kaya niyang ipagsabay yung dalawang teams. Kaya suggestion ko sa Lasal, si Coach G, gawin nyo na lang team consultant / assistant coach. Tapos, si Coach Juno, gawin yung head coach. Pag hindi nag-work, ilagay nyo lang sa Barako Bull.
Doon mo ipasok yung sinabi mo. Doon mo ipasok yung sinabi mo.
Kaya nga.
Doon mo ipasok. Parang Petron.
So parang Petron lang.
Kaya ko lang naman sinabi para sabihin.
Para sabihin.
sa'yo,
Kung sasabihin nyo.
Sinetap kita eh.
Parang Petron nga. Nalito ako eh.
Diba? Oh, so hindi mo na tinatanong. Sinasabi mo na.
Parang parang
No, but you know, syempre, if lalo na si Richard, kaibigan ng matalik si Coach G, I'm a friend of Coach G. Sabay friend lahat eh. No, but you know, you have to feel bad kasi you know, you're going into your second year, 'di ba? You have a very talented team. You're supposed to have, you know, an entire season, no, to try and make things happen. But syempre, there are a lot of factors involved dito na hindi nakikita ng lahat, but kay Coach Juno naman, I think, you know, Coach Juno is a very talented basketball mind as well. You know, he's a very valuable part of the Ginebra coaching staff. He used to play for Lasal also. You know, while we feel bad for G, we should also feel good about si Juno.
I think, alam mo, si Coach Juno at the start rin, syempre nalungkot rin siya dahil at si yung coaching staff, nalungkot sila sa mga pangyayari. Kaya nga lang, he was thrust into that position and there's no choice but to really make the most out of it. And nag-coach rin naman siya sa women's basketball and he was successful coaching for Lasal women's team. And, you know, hopefully, and I've heard a lot of good things about Coach Juno rin from the Ginebra coaching staff and how valuable he is in that team. And I'm sure yung knowledge niya ay makakatulong rin sa Lasal this coming season.
All right. So, but you're no longer sticking to your preseason, no?
Actually, no,
Prediction?
una kong narinig na magpapalit ng coaching Lasal. Kala ko si Coach Richard na yung
ganon?
coach.
Huwag mong guluhin ang buhay ko. Pero team na wala nang pakialam na natatalo. Sa akin,
Sinasabi
team na
mo?
hindi pwedeng matalo.
So sinasabi mo, walang pakialam yung team mo?
Hindi, yun dati. Ilang talo na kami. Ilang years kami talo. Walang nagre-reklamo. Ngayon matalo ka sa ano.
Isa lang.
Magulo yan.
Mag-culture siya.
Wala ba sa practice nag-scrimmage, natalo yung team
Naku,
mo?
patay ako.
Very good luck, Coach Juno, and to the Green Archers. Good luck sa coming UAP.